Well, hello there. Let me fix this. Good evening. Washington State Picker here. You know, if I was smart, I'd have my camera all set up. Actually, it was until I started recording, then it kind of zoomed in. Anyway, I have another picking video for you tonight, but before I do that, I'd like to show you my latest challenge lock. It's called Samson. It's one of these weird locks. It's got two pieces to the Bible. It was a real pain to get apart and a real pain to put back together. It's got a lot of drag to it for some reason. I don't know if my springs were really powerful. Could be the pin, could be some other nasty things I put in there. It's gonna be fun. I'm thinking about sending this one to Bosnia and Bill. It's got some good bidding too. Really good bidding. I was going to use an extra strong spring in it that I have. It's similar to a lighter spring probably. It's called an anti-bump spring. But I figured with the bidding I'd never get the thing back together. So this lock here is the one I had to fix the other day. It is Mr. Funky Monkey number 11. It was pinned March 27th of 2018. It was mummied. Like I said, I had to use the key to get it apart when the driver cap came off. It says it's a trade line. Not very familiar with trade lines. I don't know. Anyway, I did, after I put it back together, I was able to pick it. And so we're going to go top of the key waist, 50 thousandths pry bar, Peterson heavy pry bar, and a Peterson gem. Going to go Peterson today. If the Peterson gem will get in there, I might have to switch something else. Well, shoot. I might have to go bottom of the keyway here. I don't remember what I used when I picked it before. Let's go bottom of the keyway. A Sparrow's hook. Let's try this. I don't know. I could not get in there. Here we go. It's kind of a weird keyway. Getting clicks at 5. It's 4. Okay, there it's open. There we go. I don't think it was quite that easy when I did it the other morning, but I'll take it. It's an open. Okie dokie. Let me move my tools. Get me a pinning tray. Okay, that's not needed. This is. Won't need you. No. Need my pinning tweezers. Oh shoot. I love this tripod, but every time I go to move the tension down, this happens. Or, sorry, angle the camera down, that happens. So, let's get her apart. Let's see if I can do it without goofing it up. Oh, let me get the key. Seems like my camera's all zoomed in. I can't get it to not key in it. There we go. Give me a little assurance that the cylinder won't pop out. Anyway, it's a fun lock. It gives you a lot of feedback. When I opened it before, I was in a deep false set for a long time. I thought I had it open, and then the pins would start dropping on me. This time, I got lucky. You know, the gods are in my favor. Come on. I can't do this way. I gotta hold it in my hand where I can see. I'm sorry. Let me just get the cap off. Some of these caps are a real pain. Okay. I really should invest in one of those tools that everybody seems to have. But for now, I will just waste your time. Got it. Got it, got it, got it. Pin out. There we go. Spring. There's the spring in there. This is my Bosnian Bill pinning tray. Well, it was designed by Bosnian Bill. Bought it off of Etsy. I really like it. It's got smooth edges. You can get the pins out really easy. But it warped on me. And I don't know if it's from taking it back home to the Dalles, Oregon in my bag or what. Maybe it sat in the car, got too hot. It sits in the car all day. My bag does while I'm at work. And then when I leave work, I head home. Where's the top? Okay. See, is that right? I don't want to spill everything. I cannot. There it is. Okay. There we go. Okay, so I'll turn you a little bit that way. I'll try to shim it on camera. Should shim pretty easily, I think. Nope, she's not shimming easy this time. There we go, now it is. Okay, I think that'll work. Grab me my, starting to like these plastic plug followers. Some I got from Etsy, some I got from Bronx Lock Picker 60, and Bobby Keys. Oh shoot, I almost spilt all the pins again. Oh god, I'm really good at doing that, aren't I? Okay. So looking at the cylinder here, key goes in really nice, in and out, a lot better than most of my challenge locks. Good job, Funky Monkey. Let's get you in view. We're going to dump pin number 1, key pin 1. Ooh, nice little pin. 2, it's upside down. I'm trying to learn from some of the critiquing I'm getting to keep the pins facing the right way while on camera. Something I don't pay attention to when I'm working on a lock, because when I put it back together I have to make sure they're positioned correctly anyway. So anyway, good lock, Funky Monkey. It's a lot of fun to pick. So in the Bible, or in the cylinder, we have threading in all 5. I don't see any undercutting. Maybe. No undercutting. Okay. Get the shim out. Bada bing. We're going to turn you around. Mr. Plug Follower. There you go. Turn you upside down. And here we go. I'll use my, oh, there's my Sparrow tweezers. I'll just use these. These work. These are actually better for some things. Like getting a T-pin set up in the Bible. These work really good. Weak spring. Weak spring. Number 1 is standard. So I don't want to lose that next pin here. Oh. Wonder if I forgot a spring in there. Anyway, I'll get them out later. Let me get the next pin. Okay, this one looks like a, Oh, I can't get it to focus. Looks like a factory threaded, but I'm not sure. Only half of it's threaded. There's the spring. Here we go. Come on, get out of there. Oh, you piece of poop. Oh, it's sticking to my... Pinning tweezers must be magnetic. Okay. So now that pin number 3, let's see what you look like. Another, looks like another factory. Oh, I popped 2 of them up. Dang it. Oh, that's the spring. Looks like another factory. The rest of them, I'm going to go through the back. So we're going to go see what pin number 5 looks like. Come on. Okay. I see how it's going. Fat end on the bottom. Actually, that would be up top. So, okay. And that's number 5. That's not number 4. Okay. This is where I get really confused taking these apart, especially on camera. I get confused as to where to put everything. Where'd it go? Okay. It was that way when it went in. And there's the spring. Let's look up in here, see what we got. Looks like I don't see anything done to the Bible. I don't see a dang thing. Let me get my handy dandy dental pick that Bronx Lockpicker 60 gave me. Thanks again for this. There is threading in, hang on. Looks like there's another spring caught in 1. I don't know. 1 doesn't seem to have anything. 2's got threading. 3's got threading. I know 4 does. I was just feeling it. No, 4 doesn't have anything. And 5. So threading in 1, 2, 3, and 5. Anyway, good lock. Let's try to get a close-up of these pins. Very nice pins, brother. I really like that. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'm gearing up to do my 50 subscriber giveaway if I ever make it. I think I'm going to give away my Mad Bob's pick set. Give away a couple locks. I've got those antique padlocks. I really won't have time to make any picks, and not that I make good ones anyway. So I'll think of a couple other things to throw in there. But for now, it'll be the Mad Bob's pick set. And anyway, that's about it. Thanks again for watching. Once again, Funky Monkey, I got your lock from Jeffrey Post. Thanks, Jeffrey Post, for sending all these locks. I'm going to do a picking marathon this weekend and go through them all. I got one more, whoopsie. I got one more Jeffrey Post lock to pick. I've got a bear's back lock that's going to be a whipped. I'm just planning on that. And I've got a big owl, LaBelle, to do. And one more in here. Oh, Bill Bacardi, my brother. Okay, yeah, Bill Bacardi. 217, that's going to be a whipped too. I might as well just leave these out, because I might do another video here in a minute. Y'all have a great weekend. Be safe. Stay legal. And as always, be kind to one another, because y'all really count.